If you think a PC case is just a box for your components, it's time to think again. Today's best PC cases do far more than hold your hardware. They deliver incredible airflow, stunning designs, and smart features that make building and upgrading your dream PC easier than ever. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly airflow champion or a premium showcase that turns heads, this list has you covered. In this video, we're counting down the best PC cases you can buy right now. Links to every case are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5, the HAVN BF360 Flow feels like the kind of PC case that instantly makes you want to start a new build. Whether you're a gamer chasing maximum performance, a content creator pushing powerful hardware, or simply someone who appreciates a clean and modern setup, the BF360 Flow is designed to put both airflow and aesthetics at the center of the experience. What makes it so appealing is the way it balances form and function. The spacious interior gives high-end components room to breathe, while the airflow-focused design helps keep temperatures under control during intense gaming sessions, demanding workloads or long hours of creative work. But the real magic isn't just about cooling, it's about showcasing your system. With its modern design and hardware-friendly layout, it turns a collection of components into something that feels purposeful, organized, and genuinely impressive to look at. Building inside it feels less like assembling a computer and more like creating a centerpiece for your desk. And that's what makes the BF360 Flow stand out. It doesn't just house your hardware, it helps elevate the entire PC experience. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, cooling performance depends on fan configuration, component selection, and overall system setup, while compatibility may vary depending on the hardware being installed. But for anyone looking for a premium PC case that combines strong airflow, builder-friendly design, and eye-catching aesthetics, the HAVN BF360 Flow feels like the kind of foundation every great PC build deserves. Number 4, the Fractal design Meshify. 3 Ambience Pro RGB feels like the kind of PC case that instantly makes your setup look and feel more premium. Whether you're building a gaming powerhouse, a content creation workstation, or your dream PC, it's designed to combine strong airflow, modern aesthetics, and builder-friendly features in one sleek package. The airflow-focused design helps keep components cool during demanding workloads, while the spacious interior makes installing modern hardware easier and more enjoyable. What really makes it stand out, though, is the RGB lighting, which adds personality and transforms your build into something worth showing off. The clean design strikes a great balance between performance and style, making it equally appealing for gamers and professionals alike. Every component has room to shine, creating a setup that looks organized, powerful, and ready for anything. And that's where the real appeal lies. It doesn't just hold your components, it helps turn them into a centerpiece. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, cooling performance depends on fan configuration, airflow setup, and installed hardware, while compatibility may vary depending on component size. But for anyone looking for a stylish, high airflow PC case that balances performance and aesthetics, the Fractal design Meshify 3 Ambience Pro RGB is a foundation worthy of a high-end build. Number 3, the Lian Lancool 217. Infinity feels like the kind of PC case that instantly makes your build look more premium. Whether you're creating a high-end gaming rig, a powerful workstation, or your dream setup, it's designed to deliver the perfect balance of airflow, performance, and eye-catching aesthetics. The spacious interior gives modern components plenty of room, while the airflow-focused design helps keep temperatures under control during intense gaming sessions and demanding workloads. What really makes it stand out is the Infinity-inspired lighting and sleek modern design, turning your PC into something you'll actually want to show off. Every component gets a chance to shine, creating a setup that feels clean, powerful, and professionally built. The thoughtful layout also makes cable management and future upgrades much easier, helping your system stay organized as it evolves over time. Whether the PC is powered on or sitting idle, it has the kind of presence that naturally draws attention and makes your setup feel more complete. And that's where the real appeal lies. It doesn't just house your hardware, it helps transform it into the centerpiece of your desk. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, cooling performance depends on fan configuration, airflow setup, and installed components, while compatibility may vary depending on hardware dimensions. But for anyone looking for a stylish, high airflow case that blends performance with stunning visuals, the Lian Lancool 217 Infinity is a fantastic foundation for a standout PC build. Number 2, the Phanteks Evolv X 2 Matrix feels like the kind of PC case that turns a powerful computer into a true showpiece. Whether you're building an elite gaming rig, a high-end content creation workstation, or the dream setup you've spent months planning, the Evolv X2 Matrix is designed to make every component look as impressive as it performs. The sleek design, premium materials, and panoramic presentation give your hardware the spotlight it deserves, creating a setup that immediately grabs attention the moment someone walks into the room. What makes it especially appealing is how it blends luxury aesthetics with practical performance. The spacious interior provides plenty of room for modern high-end components, while the airflow-focused layout helps keep everything running smoothly during intense gaming sessions, demanding creative workloads and long hours of use. The result is a case that doesn't force you to choose between looks and functionality, you get both. And that's where the real magic happens. Every RGB effect feels more dramatic, every upgrade feels more rewarding, and every glance at your setup reminds you why building a custom PC is such a satisfying experience. It doesn't just hold your hardware, it elevates it. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, cooling performance depends on fan placement, airflow configuration, and installed components, while compatibility varies depending on hardware dimensions and build requirements. But for anyone looking for a premium PC case that combines stunning aesthetics, builder-friendly design, and performance-focused engineering, the Phanteks Evolv X2 Matrix feels like the perfect foundation for a system that's built to impress from every angle. Number 1, the Corsair 2500D Airflow feels like the kind of PC case that's built for people who want performance without sacrificing a clean modern look. Whether you're putting together a compact gaming powerhouse, a content creation workstation, or upgrading your current setup, the 2500D Airflow is designed to give your components the cooling and space they need to perform at their best. Its dual chamber layout keeps the main compartment looking clean by hiding cables and other hardware behind the scenes, making your build look organized and professionally assembled. What really makes it stand out is its airflow-focused design, helping high-performance components stay cool during intense gaming sessions, demanding creative work, or everyday multitasking. At the same time, the panoramic design lets your hardware and RGB lighting take center stage, turning your PC into something you'll actually be proud to display on your desk. And that's where the real magic happens. It doesn't just hold your components, it transforms them into a setup that looks every bit as impressive as it performs. To keep everything fully accurate and transparent, cooling performance depends on fan configuration, airflow setup, and installed hardware, while compatibility varies depending on component dimensions. But for anyone looking for a stylish, builder-friendly PC case that combines excellent airflow, smart organization, and premium aesthetics, the Corsair 2500D Airflow is a fantastic foundation for a clean, powerful, and future-ready build. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.